Hi guys! Welcome back to Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub. In this video, we are going to feature Best LOLAMA Donuts franchise business idea. Imagine owning a business where the aroma of freshly baked donuts draws in a crowd every single day. What if you could turn your passion for sweet success into a booming franchise with low investment and high returns? Best LOLAMA Donuts began in December 2022 as an online seller aiming to provide affordable homemade donuts infused with love and passion. By July 2023, the flagship store was established in Novaliches, town proper, Quezon City. The brand gained recognition in October 2023, being featured in Q Asia magazine as the best freshly baked special donuts awardee. Due to increasing customer inquiries about franchising, Best LOLAMA Donuts has opened opportunities for franchising to expand its presence in strategic locations. For the product menu, Best LOLAMA Donuts offers a variety of products including, for the starter, they have glazed donuts, Bavarian, s'mores mallows, choconuts overload, strawberry candy, chocolate Oreo, and white candy. For the premium, they have matchanis, Boston cream, queso duo, chocolate creamy, tart berry, cinnamon, tiramisu, roasted almond, and cappuccino walnuts. For the sari-sari ni Lola, they have lotus biscoff, leche flan ni Lola, ube cheese, buko pandan, mangga Filipino, yema twist, and avocado. They also have coffee. They offer caramel macchiato, chocolate Danish, almond brittle, Nutella espresso, Biscoff coffee, tiramisu, toffee nut, caramel honey, and cafe latte. For the franchise fee, the franchise fee for a Best LOLAMA Donuts unit is worth 180,000 pesos only. For the franchise inclusions, the franchise package includes use of trademark, site approval, training for franchisee and staff, procurement program, opening assistance, operations manual on loan, and research and development. For the benefits of franchising, franchising with Best LOLAMA Donuts offer several advantages. Number 1, established business model. Benefit from a proven system with a high success rate compared to starting from scratch. Number 2, brand recognition. Leverage the reputation of a recognized brand to attract customers. Number 3, financing opportunities. A strong brand reputation can facilitate financing from various sectors. Number 4, operational support. Receive comprehensive training, operational guidance, and marketing support. Number 5, cost efficiency. Access to low-cost supplies and efficient supply chain management enhances profit margins. For the application process, to apply for a Best LOLAMA Donuts franchise, number 1, self-assessment. Ensure that franchising aligns with your business goals and interests. Number 2, research. Visit existing stores to understand operations and customer interactions. Number 3, review terms. Carefully study the franchise agreement, including terms and conditions. Number 4, location analysis. Evaluate potential locations for compatibility with the business. Number 5, contact the franchisor. Reach out to Best LOLAMA Donuts using the contact information provided in this video to express interest and request further details. For the contact information, for franchise inquiries, please contact Best LOLAMA Incorporated with the address 40 Susano Road, Barangay Novaliches Proper, Quezon City, Philippines. You may contact their mobile numbers 0916-697-6114 or 0960-516-8590 or 0969-597-1035. You can send them an email at franchisebestlolama@gmail.com. can also visit their Facebook page at Best LOLAMA Donuts. You can also visit their TikTok page at Best LOLAMA. Answers to frequently asked questions. Question number 1. Is there a royalty fee? Answer. Specific details about royalty fees are not provided in the available information. It's advisable to contact Best LOLAMA Donuts directly for comprehensive details. Question number 2. What support does the franchisor provide? Answer. The franchisor offers support in areas such as training, operation, marketing, and product development. Question number 3. How long is the return on investment or ROI? Answer. The ROI period can vary based on factors like location, market conditions, and operational efficiency. What are you waiting for? Start your business with the Best LOLAMA Donuts franchise business today. Thank you for watching. Hope you like this video. Please subscribe, like, and share this video for you to be informed on our next educational videos here at Franchise Republic, your franchise business central hub.